Good day everyone, it's Shenell here again from Angelic Interior Designs. Today I have a quick DIY on a thrifty find and we're going to upgrade it. And you will need a few simple pieces for this project. Of course, a lamp. I got lucky. I went to the Goodwill shopping and I found 2 lamps, a pair for $8.99, and I was looking for white. I really didn't want to have to paint them because I had an old pair at home, but I could have painted them. But I was just hoping that I would find those items, and I did. And I'm going to use the wood base because I am replicating this neutral, natural look, the woods, added with the ceramic lamp and adding that to the bottom of the lamp. And I picked these little round pieces up of wood with the beveled edges from Hobby Lobby. Low cost, $1.99. I'm only going to use 1 per lamp. You will need a hearth because the lamp did not come with a hearth to put on top to hold the lampshade. You will need a lampshade as well, as you see here, and I'm going to use a glue gun instead of E6000 because, hey, if you know me, I may get tired of that wool base, you know, so I don't want to take the time to have to knock it off and run the risk of breaking the lamp. So I use a glue gun and it's easily removable, a lot more easier than using a permanent glue. So remove all tags from the bottom, and we're just going to spread the glue all the way around the base of the lamp. As you can see here, it is a really quick and easy DIY that just about anyone could do. I mean, I wouldn't let a child, considering your glue gun, you know, it could burn. So you want to be really careful with that. So as you can see here, I've spread the glue all around, and now I'm just going to center it with my eye and just drop it down on the base of the lamp. And there you have it. It's quickly adhered, centered, and looks really, really nice. I saw a lamp like this at a store called Michael, and this particular lamp at that store was like $150, and I've seen similar lamps around at Home Goods and other stores, and they're normally anywhere from $79.99 and up. I figured, hey, do this on a budget. That's what you know I'm about. Creating things and showing you how you could do things around your home on a budget, beautifying your space. And here we have the finished product with the lampshade all added on, and I'll let you finish and continue to watch the video on where I placed it. Thank you for joining me. This has been Shenell here from Angelic Interior Designs, and I hope to see you again. So don't forget to like, comment, and hey, if you enjoy the content here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I have an upload. I try to upload twice a week. Sometimes it's once a week, but lately I've been doing pretty good and doing twice a week. So enjoy your day and keep it moving. Thanks for joining me.